Hi, my name's Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to review 97 investor databases that make up my master database of 250,000 investor contacts. If you watch my previous videos, you know that you can click my Fiverr link below to get information on investor databases for venture capital, private equity, and angel groups. I also do pitch deck reviews. If you're looking to send your pitch deck out to a client, you can check my profile, and I have a gig on Fiverr that helps people fix them. About 80% of the pitch decks that I receive are not suitable to be sent out to investors. Are you looking for updated investor databases? My databases include venture capital, family offices, both single and multi, angel investors, angel groups, and high net worth investors. In total, there's about 250,000 verified global contacts. So let's take a look at the database library, and again this has around 97 spreadsheets and it is a work in progress. I created this video to give people an idea of the lists that I have to make up over 250,000 contacts. In fact, we're growing that to probably almost 300,000 soon. But as we sit here in July 2023, this gives you an idea of how I put together lists and how the databases all get put together. There are many categories here, anything from venture capital, private equity, angel investor groups, hedge funds, investment banks, you name it. Anything in the investment sector is here, and in many cases I have the largest collection of databases of almost any private entity. You may find a lot of databases on websites, but very few people actually have this many in one spot, and that's how I help my clients. So let's just go through them really quickly to give you a bit of an idea with very, very fast descriptions. 1 billion US plus family offices with assets under management. Again, that's over 1 billion. Database of 5,700 angel investors, 10,000 contacts looking for investment opportunities. Most of these lists are anywhere from 22 and 2023. Leads of high net worth LinkedIn investors. That's a database I recently provided for a client. Database of 500 million to 1 billion assets under management. That's another family office database. Asia Pacific database. Australia, private equity, family offices in the aviation and banking sectors. Blockchain Master USA database. This is for UK, Europe, and Canada, the US. This was a database that was ordered by a client recently in 2022. Canada Venture Capital 2022, individual angels. I keep all the databases in their source sheets, and then they get put onto a master list because this helps me go back and do referencing when I need it. Canada Individual Angels, this was just updated a couple months ago. Canada Private Equity, that's the same, updated just a couple months ago. We're sitting here in July 2023 right now for reference sake. Canada Venture Capital, that's a corporate database for institutional clients. Crypto investor funds, Dubai high net worth investors, that list has around 40,000 contacts of the highest level of investment value for Dubai investors. Crypto investor list, got lots of crypto here, not only private but institutional. Leads of all top crypto fund members, 2,000 in that database. Chinese private equity, a database of 50,000 global venture capital contacts that was just cleaned about a week ago. Construction and engineering family office database, corporate database master version. This is one of the larger databases, has over 45,000 contacts. Crypto blockchain family office, crypto fund, and again you see lots of crypto here. I have a very large collection of databases of investors in the crypto sector, not only the individuals but the corporate ones and ones that are looking to invest in crypto startups. So they're all lumped in there. Some Dubai lists. E-commerce investors and tech. You may have seen videos that I've done on YouTube on those. Those were special lists that I created for people in those sectors. So if you're looking in the same sector, the work's already done for you. Energy family offices in the energy sector. Family Investment Office Database Global, November 22, March 2023. I have a new one here, Family Office 4,000 contacts. That's a global one. Another family office. I have probably the largest collection of family investment office databases, and that includes both single and multifamily. Family investment office databases are very rare. They're hard to find. And there are a few firms that you can see on the internet that offer them. The difference is that I have them all. So if you're looking in that sector, you might want to contact me. Those get updated, and I'm going to have some news about the family office sector in the coming month or so if you're looking for those. And for example, if you're trying to market investment opportunities, high-end real estate development projects, and other investment opportunities, hedge funds, those are great places to look for leads, and again, they're very rare. Early stage startup database, global contact LinkedIn database. This is a 45,000 LinkedIn contacts, all updated. That was in December 2022. Global venture capital, 38,000 contacts. That's for corporate clients only. If you're a startup, that's not for you. This is for investment banks, hedge funds, people that are looking to reach the corporate end. IFS investor, India investor, individual angel investors. You can see June 2023, so that's just last month. Institutional investment consultant. That's a great list if you're looking to look for people in the industry on the institutional investment consultant side. International master emails 2022. Fund of funds cryptocurrency. Again, fund of funds renewable energy. LinkedIn investor database, that's a 1,000 list I just did about a week ago for a client. Main leads, master venture capital, investors looking for U.S. startup opportunities. That's a database that I just put together just a couple weeks ago. In fact, I think there's even a YouTube video that describes that. Middle East investor database, that has 500 of the key venture capital private equity contacts. That's one of the most popular databases that I have because there's a lot of people looking around the world to source capital from the Middle East. Again, Middle East angel investors. New York and California private equity database, pension fund directory. That's one of the most comprehensive databases of pension funds that there is. Active investors master database, I think that has about 45,000 contacts. Active crypto, so you see more active lists that are, these are databases that were scraped for clients using our resources that we have, and they were mainly LinkedIn databases for people who are actively say they're looking for investment opportunities, and those were for clients done on a custom basis. Private placement agency 2022. Crypto hedge funds. These are great databases if you're looking to source investors in the hedge fund industry that will look at crypto. SaaS, Angel Investors Database, that's another custom one that I recently did for a client. I think I did a video on that as well. The ultimate list of 750 seed funds, that was actually just today I launched that video. That's a custom list if you're looking to source seed funds and your startup. That's a great list to take a look at. UAE family offices, again, more of the family offices. UK top 1,000 tech angels, that was in I think October, November of 2022. UK and Europe, December corporate version, that's about 40,000 contacts. Again, these all get merged into my 250,000 master list, and they all get cleaned. As far as the emails go, the LinkedIns do not get cleaned, but they do not get changed that often. If you're going to contact someone from LinkedIn, even if they change jobs 3 or 4 times, they're still using the same LinkedIn profile. The emails are a different thing. They do get cleaned. A word of note, if you're buying databases from companies on the internet, I buy almost every one that I can find. And I can tell you that very few of them actually get updated, but most of the ones that we put out for clients are going to be updated. UK and Europe update September 2022. So you can see all these lists are recent. There's no list in here that says 2017, 2018, 2019. I don't deal with those type of lists for clients. UK 2023, we have 2,000 angels here, more angel investors. Ultimate Venture Capital Database, that's the best one for the USA, 4,300 contacts. You can see now we're down to about 91 on my list count here. USA Angel Investors, March 2023, April 2022. Some more private equity and venture capital, 6,000 contacts. Here's a small list of micro venture capital contacts. This is a great list I did in January of 2022, and it's still active now. And that was for a startup that was looking to raise $250,000. USA Top 500 Tech Investors, that was just in March of last year. That was a custom screened list. I went through over 15,000 venture capital firms to source that for a client. Venture capital updates January 2023. There's 13,000 contacts in that list. And Vietnam, I believe, is the last database. So that goes through quickly my database library for all my venture capital, private equity, angel investors, family investment offices, hedge funds, investment companies, and more.